Hello dear. There is a ton of quality budget laptops for students. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget laptops for students. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Hi guys, Tom here with another Asus feature video. This time we're taking a look at the groundbreaking new Vivobook S14, also known as the S432. Combining the vibrant colours of the new Vivobook style with the innovative second generation of Asus ScreenPad technology, this laptop is all about looking good but performing even better. Laptops shouldn't always have to be silver and black, and that's why the new Vivobook S14 comes in a variety of bold and unique colour blocking styles. These latest colour combinations and exquisite finishes highlight the intricate designs of the Vivobook S14. Here, for example, we have the Vivobook S14 in moss green and accented with an energetic orange, giving it a real natural aesthetic that is sure to turn heads. But to find your perfect colour, check out the whole spectrum through the link in the description. Now, it's pretty much impossible to speak about the Vivobook S14 without mentioning its brand new feature, the ScreenPad 2.0. Designed to upgrade your traditional laptop experience, the 5.65-inch interactive touchscreen unlocks endless possibilities. Utilising a smartphone-like interface, the newly optimised ScreenPad ensures your favourite apps such as Evernote and Spotify work perfectly on this secondary display, without the need for a ScreenPad-specific version. Asus have also pre-installed a selection of apps designed to work with Microsoft Office programs, as well as working closely with other third-party developers, including video editing software developer Corel, and as development continues, there is much more to come. But that's enough about the secondary display, let's talk about the main event. The Vivobook S14's new four-sided NanoEdge display has minuscule 5.3mm thin bezels for an almost bezel-free experience. This 88% screen-to-body ratio is further enhanced by a 178-degree wide viewing angle, which is perfect for sharing work or watching a movie. But let's talk about the ports on the Vivobook S14. On one side we have two USB 2.0 ports and a microSD card reader, and on the other side we have your power input, HDMI port, USB 3.1 port, USB-C port, and your audio jack. And the Vivobook S14 wouldn't be complete without the latest staple of Asus innovation, the ErgoLift hinge. Precision engineered, the ErgoLift hinge has a silky smooth dual action that can hold the display securely at any angle, and it slightly tilts the keyboard by 3.5 degrees to give you a perfect typing position every time. And to make the deal even sweeter, the Vivobook S14 comes as an ultra-portable package. At an ultralight 1.4 kilograms and just 18mm thin, you can simply slip it into your messenger bag or backpack and away you go. And that's it for this video, so if you want to find out more about the Vivobook S14, be sure to click the link in the description and subscribe for more feature videos and Asus announcements.
So I'm joined here today by two laptops, the Swift 1 and the Swift 1. Now they're both very stylish laptops, both with a premium feel and both with a very fair price point. However, this one is quite obviously pink. Let's find out more about the Swift 1s. First off, they look and feel high-end. They have an all-metal chassis that comes in 4 colourways, I believe. So the two I have in front of me are Sakura Pink and Sparkly Silver. Although I am yet to see any sparkles in the Sparkly Silver, it's actually a very nice, deep, muted, like grey colour. The other two colourways, I believe, are Gold and Green. Now, the display on the Swift 1 I actually really like. It's a 14-inch Full HD IPS display. The bezel is very narrow at 6.3mm, and the screen folds out comfortably to 180 degrees, and it has a lip at the top for easy opening as well. And even though it's 14 inches, it actually doesn't feel small. The number pad has been omitted from the keyboard, which means the keys actually have enough room. It doesn't feel too cramped. And it leaves space for a very good sized trackpad at the bottom and palm rest area. There's a fingerprint reader to the side, and the ports in the laptop are 3 USB 3.1s, 2 of which are Type A's, 1 of which is a Type C, an older USB 2.0, a HDMI port, a headphone jack, Kensington lock slot, and an SD card slot, which is still my favourite, I don't know why. And all the ports are based to the back of the laptop, which means you won't have any kind of cables trailing all over your hands when you're trying to do work or just rest your palms, which is pretty nice. So they come with the options of an Intel Celeron or Intel Pentium processor, the top end being an Intel Pentium N5000. And to be honest, the benefits of a CPU with low power consumption is that it gives the Swift 1 a battery life of up to 20 hours. This paired with the fact that it weighs 1.6 kilograms means you can just throw it in your bag, not even take the charger with you, and kind of forget it's there. It's definitely a laptop to take out and about with you. It also comes with Intel's integrated UHD graphics, up to 8GB of DDR4 RAM and up to 256GB of SSD. Overall, I actually really enjoyed the Swift one. I didn't know if I would, but I definitely do. I think the look is very premium and the colours, come on, they're just fun. I mean, Sakura pink, it's whimsical, and it will definitely get some attention if you ever whip this bad boy out in public. So yeah, let me know what you think down below of the Swift ones, and if you would get one, which colour you'd get.
Hi guys, Tom here with another Asus feature video. This time we're looking at the new and stylish Chromebook Flip C434. Designed to give you a near borderless experience, Asus have taken extra care to design the C434's display. Complete with ultra slim bezels measuring just 5mm thin on the sides, the C434's 14-inch Full HD NanoEdge display gives you an amazing 87% screen to body ratio. Coupled with its 100% sRGB range and the 178-degree wide viewing technology, the C434's crisp and clear display is perfect for beautiful visuals. However, the benefits of the NanoEdge design aren't just limited to the display. Because the smaller bezels reduce the overall size, the C434 has an ultra-compact footprint, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits of a 14-inch Full HD display in a chassis that's as small as many 13-inch laptops. The fact that the C434 is only 15.7mm thin and 1.45 kilograms light means you can take it anywhere with you without it weighing you down or taking up your whole bag. Next, let's take a look at this precision-engineered 360-degree ergo-lift hinge. As a staple on modern Asus laptops, the exclusive ergo-lift hinge has a silky smooth action that holds the display securely at any angle. This innovative hinge also lifts and tilts the keyboard into a perfect typing position when the display is rotated into laptop mode. But that's not all. Additionally, it can help enhance the C434's powerful audio by creating extra space underneath the laptop. Now, these awesome features wouldn't mean much without the battery life and processing power to boot, and the C434 doesn't disappoint. With the latest Intel processors combined with the full power of G Suite and other productivity apps from the Google Play Store, the Chromebook Flip lets you breeze through all your everyday tasks on the go and lasts for up to 10 hours on a single charge, so you can work or play throughout the whole day while you're on the move. And last but definitely not least, the C434 has a precision-crafted all-aluminium chassis finished with elegant diamond-cut anodized edges, making it stylish to look at but also maintaining a tough shell. And that's it for this video, so if you want to find out more about the Chromebook Flip C434, be sure to click the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more feature videos and Asus announcements.
Does the world really need another laptop? Probably not. But a reinvention of everything a laptop represents? Now that's a different story. Our journey began with a search for answers about what defines breathtakingly beautiful design in a laptop computer. Our vision was inspired by the work of craftsmen and artisans who combine impeccable form and flawless function to achieve something so singular that it's truly timeless. The Spectre identity stems from that type of commitment and conviction. Examine the details of its exterior and you'll see that it's sculpted from a single, solid block of aluminum alloy. Machined edges give it a natural luster and elegance that expresses the craftsman's passion for detail. There's an unparalleled degree of precision in every curve and contour that puts it into a class of its own. We've refined the geared hinges, reducing the size and increasing the exactitude of their function. The anodization and diamond-cut edge adds an accent and visual intrigue as it moves from mode to mode across its 360-degree spectrum. We re-architected the thermal environment to accommodate two small fans. Doing so made space for the Intel Core processors. The seamless micro-edge display with a 13.3-inch diagonal screen delivers an expansive view in a smaller footprint. With quad HP speakers, HP Audio Boost, and custom tuning by experts at Bang & Olufsen, entertainment comes to life in a full spectrum of sound that brings breadth, range, and dimension to the whole auditory experience. Weighing in at just a little under 3 pounds, it is only 13.79 millimeters thin. It has an amazing 15 hours of battery life. Finished in precision CNC aluminum and featuring our brand new premium logo mark, there's really nothing else like it. So, does the world really need another laptop? Probably not. But there's a small space to fill for a select few. A performance-driven, design-inspired, detail-conscious, technology to fuel a well-fashioned life. Few. That's who we made this for.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.